Hello everyone, how are you friends? Hope you all are fine. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are exploring a beautiful collection of more than 70 creative fabric designs ideas that are full of color, charm and handmade beauty. If you love sewing, quilting, embroidery, patchwork, applique or simply enjoy creating a beautiful things with leftover fabrics, then this collection is going to give you plenty of inspiration. Fabric crafts are such a wonderful way to turn simple pieces of cloth into something completely new and useful. Instead of throwing away small fabric scarves, and you can combine different colors, prints, patterns and textures to create beautiful handmade decorations that look careful and unique. Let's begin with this adorable flower patterns designs, and this bright yellow sunflower made from different printed fabrics immediately catches the eyes, and then the combined combination plain yellow checks and floral patterns give the floral a lovely handmade appearance. You can use a dozen like this: cushions, bags, table runners, wall decorations, or even as a beautiful quilt block. Flowers are no one of the easiest and most popular them for fabric applique because they can be created in so many different shapes. You can make tiny flowers, large flowers, colorful petals, or even mix several fabric patterns together to create a garden inspired design that feels warm and cheerful. Next, we have these colorful butterfly designs made from several different fabrics. I really love how wings use contrasting colors and patterns while body is decorated with small details. A fabric butterfly like this could look beautiful on the tote bags, cushions, cover, apron, denim jacket, children's clothing, or bedroom decorations. If you have lots of tiny fabric leftovers at home and don't worry about matching everything perfectly, sometimes the most beautiful handmade designs come from unexpected combinations. Flower prints, polka dots, strips, checks, and solid fabrics can all work together when they are arranged thoughtfully. Another wonderful idea in this collection is the pumpkin inspired fabric design. Different floral and patterned fabrics are arranged together to create a beautiful patchwork effect. This type of project would be especially lovely for seasonal decorations, kitchen accessories, table mats, cushions, or autumn inspired home decor. We also have this charming little fabric house. The design uses different materials to create the roof, windows, walls, and tiny decorative details. A handmade fabric house can become a lovely wall hanging, a quilt book, a decorative panel, or even part of large countryside damaged patchwork project. If you enjoy making practical crafts, these colorful fabric pockets are a fantastic idea. Several little pockets are attached to a tree-shaped background, creating a cute organizer for scissors, pencil, craft supplies, ribbons, or other small items. You can customize size and colors according to your own room or workspace. One of the best things about fabric crafts is that they can be both beautiful and useful. Instead of creating something that simply sits on a shelf, you can make organizers, storage pockets, pencil holders, bag pouches, kitchen accessories, and other everyday items while still giving them a beautiful handmade appearance. Here we can also see a fun Christmas inspired fabric tree decorated with colorful fabric circles, buttons, and tiny embellishments. This is a great example of how simple materials can be transformed into a festive decoration. You can use button, beads, ribbon, lace, or embroidery threads to add even more personality. Buttons are especially useful when working with fabric because they can instantly add texture and details. You don't need expensive decorations for a beautiful result. A few colorful buttons from an old swing box can become flower centers, Christmas ornaments, eyes, berries, or decorative accents. Now look at this adorable fabric bird. Its body is made from colorful patchwork pieces, while the wings and other details use contrasting fabrics. Birds are another wonderful app like them because you can make them cute, simple, elegant, or even create an entire collection of different birds for a garden inspired gifts and quilt. You can also experiment with different bird shapes and colors depending on your project. Imagine making several little birds sitting on branches surrounded by flowers and leaves. This kind of design would look beautiful on a cushion cover, wall hanging, quilt, table runner, or a handmade bags. Another beautiful idea is this colorful flower garden design. Different flowers are made from red, blue, yellow, and pattern fabrics, while the garden leaves and stems bring the whole composition together. This shows how several small fabric pieces can be combined to create one large and eye catching artwork. If you are a beginner, don't feel that your design has to be perfect. Handmade crafts are special because every little stitch and every fabric combination gives the project its own personality. Start with simple shapes like circles, leaves, flowers, hearts, stars, or butterflies, and gradually move toward and more detailed designs. Patchwork is another technique that gives you endless possibilities. You can arrange small squares, rectangles, strips, triangle, or irregular pieces into creative patterns. Even fabric are from old clothes, leftover swing projects, or unused skirts can become part of a beautiful new creations. This collection also includes designs with beautiful designs, denim, and darker fabrics combined with colorful applique pieces. Dark backgrounds can make bright flowers and leaves can stand out beautifully. If you have an old pair of jeans or unused dark fabric, you can turn it into a stylish handmade bags, cushions, wall hanging, or decorating panels. Don't be afraid to mix modern and traditional patterns. A simple polka dot fabric can look wonderful beside a flower print, while checks and strips can give your project a playful country style appearance. The secret is simply to choose colors that complement one another and arrange the piece in a balanced way. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for supporting my channel. It's a very amazing, different, highly demanding, and very creative, and that's the beauty of handmade crafts. There are no limits to your imagination. If you enjoyed this 70 plus fabric designs ideas, don't forget to like this video, share it with other craft lovers, and subscribe to our channel for more creative DIY inspiration. Your support means so much to us and help us little creative community continue to grow. Thank you so much for watching. Keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll see you in the next